Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, hey. And if this is your first time to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button below. Join the Brittany fam. Today I'm back with another review, and this time it's gonna be Birchbox. So Birchbox is yet another beauty subscription box service. It's $10 a month. It's a personalized mix of makeup, hair, skincare, and fragrance samples. And with this box, you can also better your box by choosing one of your samples each month, starting with your second box. I have all 3 boxes here. Today we're gonna get straight to the point. Let's start with the first box. Here is the first box. It's got that shoebox type of feel. And the products are right in, not gift wrapped or anything like that, like some of the other boxes are, which is why it reminds me more of like, say, like a Walmart box. They include a card that tells you all about the product. First thing that I see in this box is Marcel Lash Definition Expansion Mascara, Extension Plus Skyline. Really love the applicator on this mascara wand. I think this is the perfect size applicator to get right in those lower lashes without getting the mascara mess all in your lower lash. I'll be the first to admit I'm that one that will mess up my bottom lashes quick with a big applicator. So the fact that this is a small applicator, I really like it. And I actually got Marcel in another subscription box. I can't remember if it was in the first Birchbox that I ever got or if I got it in another subscription box because I get so many subscription boxes. But that one is really good as well. It's a smaller one, but it has a curve to it. And that's the one that I actually use in my lower lash. And I use the bigger ones like Too Faced Better Than Sex or L'Oreal Luminous Lash Mascara in my upper lash. I actually like this wand a little better than the other Marcel mascara that I have, so I'll probably begin to use this one in my lower lash. Full size of this mascara is $15. Then we have the Wilma Schumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. These pads are infused with pure collagen to hydrate, depuff, and plump the delicate under eye area. Place one under each eye and leave one for 20 minutes, and these go for $18. Then we have the Ico London Shape and Define Brow Liner. This is a waterproof brow liner that fills in spare spots and defines each hair to make arches appear naturally fuller. It applies short strokes from the start of your brow and move outward, and a full size of this one is $20. This is pretty cool. I've never used a felt tip brow product, and I've been wanting to get an applicator that will give me the hair-like stroke marks, so this would be the perfect thing to use for that, and I'm excited that I got it in this box. And lastly, I see in the box the Nexxus Shampoo and Conditioner. The full size of the shampoo is $12, and this is the Thurop Ultimate Moisture Shampoo that infuses your hair with long-lasting moisture and reparative nutrients that give it a soft, smooth feel. Then we have the conditioner. The full size of this is $17. It is a Humectus Ultimate Moisture Conditioner that restores your hair's natural protective barriers with this conditioner that hydrates and locks in moisture for amazingly smooth and strong results. I'm gonna give these a smell. The shampoo definitely smells good. The conditioner, I can't really detect a smell. Like most products that aren't made for dreadlocks, if I was to use these, I would have to water them down so that I can make sure that they get into my hair and do the job. Now for the second box. The first thing that I see in this box, Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Fining Face Mask. It detoxifies and brightens your skin complexion, made from Australian kaolin clay, organic aloe vera, and Kakadu Plum. What is Kakadu Plum? Have you guys ever heard of Kakadu Plum? Hey Siri.
I'm listening.
What is Kakadu Plum?
Okay. Here's what I found on the web for what is Kakadu Plum.
Kakadu Plum. So this is Kakadu Plum, guys. It fights cancer cells and brightens skin. It's a flowering plant native to Australia, also known as the tropical almond, and it's used in jams, sauces, juices, ice creams, cosmetics, flavors, and pharmaceuticals. Wow, what does it taste like? If you eat it as a fresh fruit, it has a sweet and sour sort of taste, and if you cook it, it's like eating pears and apples cooked. Sounds like it would be a fruit that I like. So I learned something new. Hope you did too. Anyways, this little guy, the full size of this goes for $49. And if you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I received this in a recent beauty subscription box. Probably gonna stick this one in a giveaway. Next, I see Let's Get Naked, a frizz fighter. So the full size of this is $20, and it does what a frizz fighter would do. It's also paraben free and keratin infused. A hair serum that you apply a few pumps to mid-lengths and ends, then style. Then we have a baked highlighter by Model Co. in the color Moonshine. And the full size of this goes for $25. Then I see the Beautinique Beauty Nourishing Mascara. Full size is $19.90, and it has vitamin E, camellia, and almond oil. And this one is a normal size one. Then I see Amanda Kadar Cosmetics Renewing Lip Oil. A full size is $19. The color is Peony, a subtle wash of pink. It's a hydrating lip treatment that provides moisture and a pop of color. Then lastly, they include a bonus by Estee Lauder, which is the Revitalizing Supreme and Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. And a full size of this is $82. We all know that Estee Lauder is a luxury brand. I've never tried Estee Lauder anything, and I'm really into skincare, so I can't wait to try this. And for the last box, this one they included a card for a little coupon code. You get 10% off your next $50 order using the code SAVE10 at the checkout. First thing I see in this box is the OI all-in-one milk with Roku oil. This is by Davines. Full size is $34. A leave-in treatment that detangles while adding volume, shine, and heat protection. Next we have the Roller Lash by Benefit Cosmetics. Love the rose gold. And it's got a curved wand, kind of like the first Marcel mascara that I received in my first original Birchbox. This is a super curling and lifting mascara. Love the packaging on this one. A full size goes for $25. And again, I really like the wand on this one because it's fairly smaller than your typical mascara wands, which I love to use in the lower lash. Then we have, I'm not sure if this is Queen or Veen Studio. It's Qveen. Really love the packaging on this one. It's a pretty pink. It's a matte lip satin in the color Expensive Taste. And here's the swatch. A full size of this is $14. Then I see Air Repair Super Hydrating Eye Cream. A full size of this is $24.50. Reduces puffiness, hydrates skin, and smooths out fine lines, and soothes your under eye area for a brighter, wide awake look in seconds. Then we have a perfume by La Vanilla, the Healthy Fragrance Vanilla Grapefruit Perfume. A full size is $48, and it has notes of cedarwood and warm Madagascan vanilla mixed with sparkling pink grapefruit. Give this one a smell. That does smell good. It's not strong at all. I pick up the grapefruit. It's very subtle, very nice. Not the type of perfume that I would normally go for, but I couldn't say that I wouldn't wear it. It does smell nice. Then they included two bonuses by Davines shampoo and conditioner combo called OI. It says it's for all hair types. The shampoo goes for $31 in the full size, and the conditioner goes for $38 in the full size. Not cheap. Are packed with ingredients like Roku oil, which protect hair from UV rays and heat damage, plus apricot butter, which adds softness. And that's it for that box. So my opinions on Birchbox. I have to be honest and say I'm over the samples. I do not mind travel size, but sample sizes are starting to drive me crazy. It's like, give me the real products. For me, as far as sample sizes go, I'm okay with the makeup products, but the rest of it, I don't really need. The only sample box that I really like at this point, having tried a few different sample boxes like Target and Walmart and Birchbox and Sephora Play. Sephora Play is going to be the sample box that I go with, okay? It's makeup, it's luxury and prestige brands, and it's Sephora, which is one of my favorite brands. So as for me, as far as samples are concerned, that's where I would live, in the Sephora Play box. As far as Birchbox is concerned, it's nice receiving some of these samples, but that's just gonna build up, and I'm not gonna have anywhere to put these samples. But I will say that I think it is a really good starter box if you're just getting into subscription boxes, you're just getting into makeup or skincare, and you just kind of want to try some things out for a really inexpensive price. Then Birchbox is a good box. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and that it was helpful for you. If so, give this video a big thumbs up to show your support. Also, the giveaway is still open for the month of March, so go ahead and enter at the link in the description below. And if you've made it this far down into the video, go ahead and comment below the word bird box. Today I want to make it a little bit more difficult than I did in the last upload, and instead of doing Birchbox, type in the comment bird box. Like the movie with Sandra Bullock, Bird Box. Before we go, I want to do a shout out, and today I want to shout out Beauty and Cornrows. And she says, I love your videos, smooches. And she commented this on my new makeup haul featuring Ulta, Target, and Walmart. Thank you for your support, sis. So again, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Kakadu plum. Siri,
I'm listening. Go ahead.
what is kakadu plum? Kakadu plum. Kakadu plum. Under eye area for a brighter, wide awake look in seconds. You still here? You the real MVP. You, yes you, you're the real MVP. Go ahead and watch the next video while you're here. Right there. Just click right there.